go for one more pattern. Let us try. Let us try one more pattern. One more pattern. Okay. So right now, let us try one pattern like this. First, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, only 5, 4, 3, 2 only. All of you. Next, only 5, 4, 3 only. Next, 5, 4 only. 5 guys. That's all. All of you observe. A different pattern. This one. This is the a different pattern, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4. And only 5 coming, guys. And only 5 coming here. All of you. So let us try this pattern now. The same I am taking now. Right. So again same. These are the rows. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. And these are columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, and fifth column. Now, so I'll give the iterations, guys. I iterations, j iterations. So first time commonly, what's I value? I value 1, next I value 2, next I value 3, next I value 4, next I value 5. I value 5. Okay. Right. So these are the I values, guys. When I value 1 means first row, then I value 2 means second row, I value 3 means third row, I value 4 means fourth row, I value 5 means fifth row, number of rows. Right. When I value 1, when I value 1, how many times j iterating? This is important my here. When I value 1, how many times j iterating? So j1, all of you, j1, then j2, then j3, then j4, and then j5, 5 times, guys. When I value 1, j iterating 5 times, j iterating 5 times, 5 times, okay, 5 times. Next, when I value 2, how many times j iterating? J1, then j2, J3, and then J4. 4 times iterating, okay? How many times? 4 times, guys. 4 times iterating. Right. Next, when I value 3, how many times again? J1, then J2, then J3. J3, okay? 3 times, guys. 3 times. Right. Next, when I value 4, J1, first iteration, J2, second iteration, okay, iteration. And last one, when I value 5, J iterating only one time. Means the J iterations decreasing, guys. The J iterations are decreasing. Okay, right. So I'm writing the iterations, all of you. I'm writing here iterations. Uh, first I, then next what is there here? Next to J. When I iterate one time, at the time J, how many times iterating? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. When I iterating a second time, then At that time j, how many times iterating? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. When I iterating third time, and j iterating how many times? Only 3 times. When I iterating the fourth time, then j how many times iterating here? 1, 2 only. When I iterating fifth time, then j iterating only one time. J iterating only one time. I love you. One time. That's all. Right? These are iterations. These are what here? These are the iterations. Okay, iterations, guys. Now let's see the program. Let's see the program here. This is what now pattern 12. So input of enter n number of rows. Enter n number of rows. Okay. That's all. Right. So for I in range of I value same starting from 1 up to displaying the that 5, right? Then for j in range of now. So j starting from where? Starting from 5 to 1, next to 5 to 2, 5 to 3, 5 to 4, 5 to 5 only here. The starting is fixed. What starting always? Starting is n, guys. That means given number. In this case, given number. So starting is fixed. Start number is fixed. End number up to first time 1 is there. First loop 1. 1 means what, guys? Generally, 1 means what we take generally 0. All of you. Generally we take what here? 0, right? 0. And decreasing, decreasing. Means what we take now? Increment value -1. All of you. All of observe. So starting value 1, starting value 5. Every time 5 only. End value I am taking the 0 before 1, so 1 here. So let's observe the debugging here. When I value 1, then j what are those? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Because starting from 5 up to 0 means before 1. So but when I value 2, the output must come only 5, 4, 3, 2 only. One should not come. But if we take the same range, it's static. Here also one will come, right? Here also one will come, guys. All of you. There also one will come here. But one should not come. Okay, one should not come here, right? Means the end value should not take 0. The end value should not take 0. Let's take for example end value. Let's take suppose I -1, guys. For example, I -1. Let us try in this way. Just to think it once. So I means what now? First time 1, right? All of you. First time I means what? 1. Or first time I value 1. So 1 minus 1 no 0. All of you. 1 minus 1 how much here? 0. 0 before 1 now. So 5 to 1 will come. Okay. So first time success, guys. First time working. And second time what's I value? 2. At second time I value 2, right? 2. So 2 minus 1, how much now? 2 minus 1 means 1 now. All of you. 2 minus 1 means 1. So 1 before how much now? 2. Up to 2 will come, right? All of you. So 2 minus 1 means 1 actual, okay? 1, guys. So 5 to 1 means what? 1. 1 before how much is there now? 1 before 2 is there. So 5 to 2 will come. 5 to 2. Yes, success, guys. Correct. This is not there. Right? Next, which one? I minus 1, right? I minus 1. Next, when I value 3, all of here 3, let's replace 3. 3 minus 1, how much? 2. Okay. Starting 5, ending 2 is there. Starting 5, ending 2 is there. So ending 2 means it takes before 2. Before 2 means what? Here 3. That means 5 to 3. 5 to 3 will come. So 5 to 3 will come. Okay, all of you. So 5 to 3. Okay, 5, 4, 3. That's all. Next, when I value 4, tell me now. So I take the 4 here. Okay, I value 4. So 4 minus 1, how much here? 3. Starting 5 is there. Ending 3 is there. 3 before 4 will come. So 5 to 4. So 5, 4 will come. 5, 4 will come. Okay, all of you. What comes here? 5 will come, 4 will come. Next, when I value 5, so 5 minus 1, right? 5 minus 1 is what? 4, guys. I love you. Chorna 4. So it will be 4, okay? It will be 4. So 4 before how much now? 4 before how much, all of you? 4 before how much here, right? 5. So starting how much is there? 5, right? All of you. Starting how much is there? 5, right? Okay. So starting 5, ending 5 here. So displays the starting value how much now? 5. That 5 will display, guys. Starting value 5. That 5 will display. That 5 will display. Next, any other value? I value? No other I value because all iterations over. Once it is over, now what I want to print now? I want to print what? So first time 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which values? These are J values, right? So print J values. I want print J values. Okay. After printing J values, I'll take the printer to go to the new line. To go to new line, I'm giving the 5. You can see now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5 like this. R. So I execute now. When I value 1, guys, when I value 1, then so the J 5 times executes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it means first time 5, 5 space, next time 4, 4 space, 3 space like this. So 5 space, 4 space, 3 space, 2 space, 1 space. So now when I value 1, all j iterations over. Once all iterations over of j, then go for new line. Go for new line. Go for new line. The new line means I value 2. When I value 2, 5 to 3, 5 to 2. So 5, 4, 3, 2. That's all. Next line now. 5, 4, 3. Next 5, 4. Next 5. Like this. I love you guys. Okay, right. So this is about a different pattern with the numbering, right?